Hi again, everybody. It's Friday, February 25th, 2022. Had another trend segment in play yesterday. It started as we double bottomed here. We double bottomed, made a false break through that prior low, and then the trend flipped at the beginning of the yellow segment on P2 around 8:30. So with that, we're always going to be looking for potential trend to last to the next yellow segment. And in this case, we had strength all the way to the end of the segment. The trend started at the beginning of the segment, but actually carried through all the way. That whole move was over 180 points. In the middle of that run, though, we had a timing window, and we made high right at the beginning of that timing window, right here where I have this series of blue vertical lines. Those are there because I was looking at something else. But you can see we got a very typical three-wave ABC correction, and then the trend turned back up and carried through until pretty much the end of the day, to the end of that yellow P2 window. So good setups yesterday. The identification of the next trend, that trend for the day, and then the timing window giving us this ABC for today. We've just been kind of flat, choppy overnight with a downward bias into this area of lows. The Vedic chart, there are no timing windows today, but it looks bullish. We're at this point of this low right here. We'll see what happens over the next couple hours if we make a new low or not. If we do not, I'll be looking for this purple and red period. Be looking for an upward bias to at least last until we get to here to the 1030 area. But today is mostly bullish. We had the 24th as our pivot day, one of our pivot days. We'll take a look at that over the weekend, but a lot of markets pivoted yesterday. Gold, Bitcoin, the S&P made low. The 20th date did not work. I'll go over those probably tomorrow. We'll take a look at the timing dates. But anyhow, that's kind of the way I'm looking at it for today with the trend bias and potential trend move here on the ES chart. So that's it for today. Be back again on Saturday with another video. Take a look at the daily pivots for the month. We've got one more date coming up on the 28th, so we'll check out the gold, Bitcoin, and ES daily charts tomorrow.